Managing and maintaining heavy machinery can be challenging. Finding the right parts at the right time is crucial for your operations. Introducing www.parts-manual-download.com, the ultimate solution for all your machinery parts manual needs. Are you tired of sifting through outdated manuals or waiting endlessly for part details? With Parts Manual Download, get instant access to comprehensive and up-to-date parts manuals right at your fingertips. Our platform offers a vast collection of manuals for brands like Volvo, Hyundai, Caterpillar, and more. Immediate download after purchase, ensuring no downtime for your machinery. Detailed manuals with easy-to-follow diagrams and part numbers. Compatibility with all devices and operating systems. 24/7 customer support to assist you anytime. Simply purchase, download, and print your manuals. It's that easy. No more guesswork. Just reliable information when you need it. Keep your operations running smoothly. Visit Parts Manual Download today and empower your maintenance with the right parts information. Parts Manual Download, your trusted partner in machinery maintenance.